Hello everyone, let's dive into the HU365EM-00 power supply, a component designed as a compatible replacement for a range of Dell Optiplex and Precision models. Specifically, this unit is intended for systems like the Optiplex 3020, 7020, 9020, XE2, 3670, as well as the Precision 3620, T3620, T1700, and T20. It's also compatible with part numbers like T1M43, 0T1M43, RVDHD, and 7VK45, 07VK45. The HU365EM-00, also known under model numbers HK465-11PP, D365EM-00, and DPS 365CBA, is manufactured by Lurker and delivers a maximum output of 365W. This wattage is suitable for the typical power demands of the mentioned Dell systems, especially those used in standard office or home environments. Looking at the connectors, it features an 8-pin, a 4-pin, and two 8-pin connectors. This configuration ensures it can properly power the motherboard, CPU, and potentially a low to mid-range graphics card, if the system is equipped with one. The power supply accepts an AC input of 100-240V at 50 to 60 Hz, making it compatible with different power standards. The DC output is rated for a maximum of 365W, which should be sufficient for the intended systems, assuming they are not heavily upgraded with power-hungry components. The form factor is ATX, which is a standard size for desktop power supplies, ensuring it fits correctly within the specified Dell cases. The cooling method is air-based, relying on an internal fan to dissipate heat. When considering this power supply, it's important to verify compatibility with your specific Dell model and its power requirements. While it's designed as a replacement for the mentioned systems, it's always best to double-check the part numbers and power needs to ensure a proper fit and function. If you're running a high-end graphics card or have significantly upgraded your system, you might need to consider a higher wattage power supply. However, for standard configurations of the listed Dell Optiplex and Precision models, the HU365EM-00 should be a suitable replacement option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.